Hey, it's Scott Brown with PTEN Magazine, and I'm here at AAPEX 2023. We're downstairs in Joe's garage, and we're with TEXA, and we got Joffrey here, who is a, what's your title?
Sales Manager North America.
Sales Manager North America. He's been doing a lot of demos here, doing live calibration with the TEXA ADAS Calibration. They've got a really unique feature here. They've got a screen that projects the target, so it displaces the need for storage of all these targets. So I know that doing ADAS calibration is tough, all right? It's really hard. The hardest part is really getting accuracy on getting that target put in the proper space. Tell me a little bit about how your product can add some efficiency to the technician in that calibration cycle.
All right, well thanks, Scott. Number one, as you see, it's a 75-inch projection screen. So with that screen, you have OEM-sized targets, and the targets are projected based on our IDC5 TEXA software. So once the vehicle is connected and we scan the vehicle, the screen projects on the TV. So at that point, you don't have to hang targets, you don't have to store targets, the ultimate time and space saver.
Cool, so one of the things I saw, you guys are using Bluetooth connected laser rangefinders, right, that are coming off, you're getting measurements off the left front and then the left rear. I thought that was pretty cool. And then you're also doing live ride height recording, and you're using that same target and you're just going to the wheel well. I thought that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it makes it easy for one person to use and to lock onto those measurements where you need to be.
Yeah, so it's doing it all wirelessly, so the technician doesn't have to type in anything, it just pulls it right in.
And he's following it right on the software. Awesome. He doesn't have to be in the car, around the car.
Okay. So I can imagine that this also is beneficial for the future, right? So when we have new cars, new technology that comes along, new targeting, you can just basically deliver a new target to your client out, through the internet, right? And,
100%.
and update the unit. So yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yep.
So what do we got here? What do you guys been calibrating here?
This is a EV 2023 Porsche Taycan.
Taycan, yeah, okay. All right, and this one has a bunch of technology on it. So it's got forward-facing camera, it's got radar and all that.
Everything.
And you've got all the calibration equipment to take care of those aiming responsibilities, correct?
Absolutely.
Okay. All right, and is there anything new that you want to share with what the tools actually bring to the marketplace?
Well, I think the thing I want to bring to the table is that we're building our tech support, so our distribution is strong across the United States, and we're providing a lot of after-sales support with this. So
yeah, so for people that don't know, TEXA is based in Italy, right? Is that right?
Yes.
They're a European company.
Italian company.
So you're coming into the US, you're making an investment here to bring some products and services into the marketplace, and also providing support for the end users
Absolutely,
out there too,
absolutely.
Right? Okay.
Very important, the after-sales support, which we can remote in and help people get going with the system so that it's a smooth process.
Okay, and this screen here that we're looking at, that's part of the handheld tablet unit that the technician, that's wireless, right? It's all wireless to the unit, to the computer that drives the board.
Right.
And also wireless, of course, to the interface inside the vehicle.
Yeah, what you see here is a dashboard with live parameters.
Yeah, okay. Well, very cool. Well, thank you for giving me a little run through on this. I'm really impressed with this this product here. So check this stuff out. It's pretty cool.
We really appreciate it.
All right, thanks.
Thanks.